Okay. They're here. My albums literally just got here 5 minutes ago because I'm impatient. Impatient. So I really don't want to waste any time. I just want to get into this. I think I got 10 albums, 3 of the limited, 3 of the platform, and 4 of the other ones. What are they called? I don't know. And I did order from K-Town, so there's gonna be 3 order benefits, and I think there's 4. Oh my god. So we'll do those first. The photo cards are so cute this comeback. And listen, I'm new to this whole YouTube thing. Never done an unboxing video, so I don't have like the camera showing my hands because I'm filming this on my phone. So I'll just have to like hold them up. It's like beauty vlogger style. It's actually a lot of albums. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna put them because this shelf is full and that shelf is full. I'm gonna have to buy another shelf at this point. Why did I get 3 limited albums? Why did I get 3? I'm just gonna rip it at this point.
그냥 부술까 문을?
Wait. Oh, okay. It's like, where are the platform versions? They literally put them in this. Literally put them in a paper bag. Alright. Alright, so 2 of these. 2 of these. 3 of these. Look how gorgeous they are. They're holographic too. 3 of these. But first. Okay, there's one. Okay, my bias is Gaihan. And I've already seen some spoilers for the pre-order benefits. And I ordered from K-Town. And there's this one K-Town Gaihan pre-order benefit that I really want. Okay, here. Hold on. No, I can't hold them up because then I'll see it. So I'll show the camera first and then I'll look. Alright. Who is this? I'm shaking. This is literally the one. This is literally the one. Can you even see it? I manifested that. Next one. Literally my bias and my bias wrecker. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, 2 more. Who's this one? Wait, should I guess? I think it might be Gio. I need to like predict people's fortunes or something. Like, I'm on fire today. Okay, let's see if I can go. Let's see if I can go 4 for 4. 4 for 4. 4 for 4. Whatever. Yuhyun? I don't know. Let me feel her. Yuhyun. Guys, I swear I didn't see them. I swear to God. I could just feel it. Swear to Gaihan. That's literally insane. Okay, let's start with the platform since they're the smallest and will probably be the fastest to go through. I'm literally shaking. Like, they're so cute. Okay, this one, I think it's just spoiled automatically. So, Okay, first of all, for the QR code one, ooh, these are thick. These are like lucky draw. Like, we got Yuhyun, looking gorgeous as always. Then we got Handong. Listen, usually I'm not a fan of the sideways ones, but Handong just makes it work. Like, she can do whatever she wants, personally. And then Yuhyun. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Stickers. Stickers. Pop out. It's insane. I'm literally so excited right now. I wonder though, since I did order them all in the same batch, I do wonder if we may get a lot of repeats, because K-Town is known for not shuffling their albums. But I mean, it's fine because I can trade, but right. Oh. Not that I, okay. Oh. Okay. But we got Handong for the I'm so sorry. For the QR code thing, PUC. I must be like a fortune teller or something, because literally the exact same cards. Exactly the same. I'm not mad though. Let's see if we can go 3 for 3. That would be really funny, I think. I think that would be really funny. My blood pressure right now is probably like through the roof. Okay. K-Town. Okay. The QR, I got GU. Looking gorgeous. And white, apparently. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls. But then we got my girls, Yuhyun and Handong. You know what? It is what it is. I think next I should do the H and the E versions. I think I'm gonna save the limited for last. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how to feel about these. Like the sizing. I don't know how to feel about it. But it's cute. Stickers. Oh, the photo cards are in the photo book. Let me just take those out real quick. I'm gonna have to find space to put this out. Cute! I'd follow them into battle any day. Here's the CD. Sua! Oh, look at her. Sua. A blue pack. And we have... Oh, Xion. Oh my god. Xion. Oh my god. And then we have Yuhyun. Oh. Wait, I thought there were only supposed to be 3 in the normal versions. Did I get any? I don't know. We'll find out. But oh my god, Yuhyun. And oh, okay, I forgot about the agent cards. Okay, so we got Yuhyun as well. I like these. This Yuhyun selfie. I love the selfie ones. But let's see if K-Town really does hate me. Well, not hate me, but like, I forgot to shuffle their albums. No Gahyun photo cards yet, except for the pre-order benefits, which I really wanted. That was the one I really wanted, because I know having to trade for it would be like physically impossible. We're doing the second version. I won't go through it like the last one because we just saw it, but I will be looking at the poster and the photo cards. because I'm not sure. I think the posters are random. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. Come on, K-Town. K-Town, please. Have mercy. Like this time. Okay, thank you. Thank you, K-Town. We got Sua in a little train conductor hat. Look how cute. So cute. And then we got Dami. Dami is killing this comeback. Blonde is her color. I don't care what anyone says. Okay, we got Dami's agent card. What blood type is she? Blood type A. That makes sense. And then we got Hanong. Hanong. I can't even get it in frame. There we go. Can we please focus on her? Give her the respect she deserves. Okay, no repeats that time. I'm like sweating. We're gonna move on to the E version now. It's gonna be a long video, to be completely honest. Unless I like really cut it down, which I probably will, but I think I like the blue better than the yellow. I don't know why. Stickers, which I will never use because I'm afraid of commitment. We're gonna go out of order this time. Ooh. Ooh. I like this one. It reminds me of Summer Holiday. Oh my god. Hanbok literally looks like Cinderella. She has short hair. I can't over it. Don't over there. Don't see. You. You. Swap. I love them so much. Okay, another repeat. Miss Hanbok. We got Sua. Is this? Yeah, we do have this one. So another repeat. GU. These ones were all concept ones. Ooh, I really like this one. President GU. And then we got GU's agent card. That's what it's called. Is it just me or do these photo cards feel like higher quality? Like, I don't know how to explain it, but the texture is just like, it's like smoother. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but that's what it feels like to me. Me personally, I like it. And then we have the last normal version one. I'm not gonna look at the poster because I'm pretty sure it's the same. So we're just gonna look at the photo cards. I really want Guyan's agent card because I feel like people won't really be trading them that much. Let's see who we got, guys. Another Handong. I'm gonna have a fun time trading these. I'm gonna need a lot more stamps. Okay. Dami with the umbrella. It's a new one. Oh my god. I like the umbrella ones a lot, the concept ones. What was I gonna say? I don't know. But then we got Guyan. And then we got her agent card. We got Guyan's agent card too. I really wanted that one. I want to put it in like a lanyard or something. Is that weird? I don't know, but I want to put it in like a lanyard because I feel like that would be like less inconspicuous than like a photo card. I don't know. T version. I really like the red and how this one looks. I really love albums that are red and black and white. It's so pretty. Alright, so I think the photo cards are gonna be on the top. So I want to open it upside down. I'm gonna open it like that. We'll start with the CD first. That's what the CD looks like. Here's the poster. Is this one bigger? This one is bigger. Okay, I might have to put this one up. Oh my god. The way Shion is sitting, she's thick. I'm gonna do a quick flip through of this one because it's like really big. So we're just gonna it comes in. It smells really good. Like it smells, I don't know about really good, but I just enjoy the scent. Oh my god, this is like a all comes together. It's a really long video, but it's hard. I'm gonna like study this later. The postcards. I kind of want to put these up on my door, but I'd have to take down the Love Stealer ones. They really are my presidents. Like, they are world leaders. They are the moment. I'll give you a vision. You are a vision. Wow. Then we got the little spinny thing. That's so fun. It's completely useless, but it's so fun. Okay, the film strip, which I will be hanging up on my little like Polaroid thing. Ooh, it's fake. It's like quality. Alright, who do we get? Who is that? Oh, Shannon Handong. Shannon Handong. Oh, this one's on the outside, so this. Another Gaihan agent card, and then we got the photo cards. So I'm not sure if these are all limited or if it's like limited mixed in with like concept cards, but okay. I just had to catch my breath for a second. The quality does feel different. Like, I'm not crazy. Like, it does feel different than like a standard photo card. But first up we have Handong. Oh my god, her jacket, her outfit. We have okay, whatever. We have Kaiyan, and then we have Yuhyun, looking cute. Oh my god, she's so adorable. Yuhyun again. Something on the photo card. What the hell? Yuhyun, Handong, and Gaiyan for the limited. And for these last two, we're just gonna do the film strips. And it's okay, guys. It was just my remote. It's fine. It's fine. I promise. It's fine. My chair keeps farting. But yeah, just the Polaroids, the film strips, and the photo cards. I'm really hoping for some more selfie photo cards. For the film strip, we got Gaihan and Sua. Oh my god, they're shaking hands in one of them. That's so cute. And we got another Gaihan. Oh my god, this one has printing errors on it. Do you see that? Oh god, I won't be able to trade this one. Oh yikes. Okay, that's so disrespectful to Miss Gaihan. First one. Yuhyun, is this a dupe? Yeah. K-Town. K-Town, you're killing me. Another dupe. Let's see. Sean. Oh my god. Oh my god. Last one. Gaihan again. Another dupe. I'm literally begging. I'm on my knees. I'm groveling. For Polaroid, we got a big unit. Ooh, we got Dami, Jiu, and Yuhyun. For the, what's it called? Agent card. Is that Gaihan again? Oh no, that's Handong. Okay. Do we have that one? Yuhyun. We got Yuhyun, Dami, Jiu, and like 3 Gaihan. 4 Gaiyans. Dami selfie. Okay. And then we got Handong. Ooh, I love this outfit in the music video. It suited her so well. We got another Gaiyan. And we got another handong, and yeah, that's it. Oh my god, that's it. Oh my god. Alright, let's review. Let's see what we got. Okay, here's the final collection. I can't believe that. Yeah, not mad at all. I have a lot of trading to do. But I got some ones I really like, which is good. There's a member. Is there a member I didn't get? Dami Handong Gayon. Xian, Yihyun, Sua, Jiu. No, I got everyone. K-Town, please start shuffling your albums. Please and thank you. And yeah, I'm gonna start trading. Alright, peace.